Does YouTube truly shadow ban some accounts? The answer is yes.
Just all of a sudden, everything about your channel dropped. No movement, nothing is going as it's supposed to go. Suspect shadow banned.
And the truth of the matter is that they'll silently do it. They will not even send you notification. Here in this video, I will tell you 5 signs to know that your account may be under shadow banned, what to do to avoid being shadow banned, and how to solve the issue of shadow ban if you are under shadow ban already. So endeavor to watch from the beginning to the end to avoid making some mistakes that might lead to your account being shadow banned. And if your account is shadow banned already, try to watch to the end to make sure that you see how you can solve the problem. Number one sign that your account is in shadow ban is when you are not able to find the account in the search engine. For you to find the account in the search engine, this is what you do. You have to turn on your incognito and you check your account in the search engine. This is how you can check it. To check if your account may have been shadow banned, what you have to do is to go straight to your YouTube mobile app. This is my own YouTube mobile app. Then you enter into it. When it's open, then you click down here that you see your profile picture. This place they wrote to you. You click on it, then it will bring you to your channel. When you come here, what you have to do is to switch to the left hand side. You will see this turn on incognito, then you click on it. Because I've already searched my own, that's why you're seeing it here. But if you have not searched it, you see they'll say got it, and click on got it, and it will show you this background. Then on this search bar, YouTube is asking you to search. Then you have to click on it and search for your channel by typing in your channel name exactly the way your channel name is. For example, now my own is Julie Gist, all in capital letter. This is my channel name. I have to search for it. You see, it have already shown my channel and my videos. Not only that it showed me my channel, but also my videos. Don't mind that my subscriber is still 9. I just created this channel new. It even go that it will soon peak in as much as I follow the YouTube community guideline. I'm doing other necessary things. This is it. If you come here and you check for your channel name and did not see your channel name at all pop up, it means your channel may have been shadow banned. Or if you check your channel name and you see your channel and you do not see your videos, it means that your channel may have been shadow banned. As you're checking it, you're expecting to see your channel pop up and also your videos pop up as well. Once your channel is have already pop up, you have to scroll down to check your videos. If you do not see your video, you scroll down, that means your account may have been shadow banned. After checking this, for you to switch back to your channel, you have to click on this U down here, and then you click on turn off incognito. It will bring you back to your profile. Number 2 is sudden drop of views in your channel. At a point, if you're anytime that is getting high view, like 300k view, at a point you started seeing 200 view. For the time that I've been getting just 1000 view, at a point you started seeing 2 view, 3 view. That is a sign that your account might be under shadow ban. Even though sometimes it may not be as a result of shadow ban, sometimes it can be as a result of poor thumbnail, poor title. But when this persists and continue all your upload, that means your account may be under shadow ban. 3, drop of engagement. When you notice that your engagement is dropping, the comments, the like you are getting in your channel started dropping drastically, unlike before, that means that your account might be under shadow banned. After trying everything to know that your account is growing, you find that you don't even see comments, you don't even see like, suspect that your account may be under shadow banned. Number 4, when your subscribers no longer clicking your video. After adding beautiful thumbnail, you find out that your subscribers, they are no longer clicking your video to watch. That means that the algorithm is no longer recommending your video to them. This is why you have to check your analysis, always be in your analysis side. Check it, know if your subscribers, if they are actually watching your video. Because sometimes if your video is not good enough, you can notice from your analysis and then you re-strategize. Because sometimes you may not be shadow banned, but because your video is so boring. When they come, they click on it, they leave. They will not watch, they'll just leave. It will just tell the YouTube algorithm that people are not interested in this video, and they will drop it. They will not recommend it to other people again. So this is why you have to try to satisfy your audience. Number 5, when your short started getting 0 view, just suddenly your shorts just started getting 0 view. Short that have been getting thousands of views, millions of views, started getting 0 view. In this case, you can suspect that your account may be under shadow ban. Sometimes what causes it is too much loading short the same time in the same account. Like for instance, if you are uploading too many shots, for instance 5 shots, I am making all the shots public at the same time, YouTube algorithm will shadow ban that video. They will not take it far, but doesn't mean they shadow ban the account, but they shadow ban the video. They just drop it because you are not supposed to upload too many at the same time. But a day you can upload 5 shots, but not let it not be the same time. Even if you upload it the same time, don't make all of them public at the same time. Then this is what you should avoid if you don't want your account to be under shadow banned. Number 1, very important, avoid spamming. And this word spamming carries a lot of things. A lot of things can be considered as spamming. For instance, now you are the type that is doing sub for sub. You are looking for sub by all means. Sometimes we call it hug for hug, thinking that they already don't know what they're doing. They know, and it is spamming. 2, on spamming, too much use of hashtag. You use 4 hashtag, 5 hashtags, 6 hashtag in the same video in order to get more view. It will not get too much view. It is spamming. YouTube doesn't like that. Again, too much replying of comments is also spam. Doesn't mean that you not reply your comments. It's normal to reply your comments, but when you reply too much, for instance, you are replying like 500 comments under 1 hour, YouTube will be like, no, it's not mommy that can do this, it's robots. It's also spamming. So try to avoid all this. Another spamming is when you always continuously tag people's channel in your channel, maybe for them to come sub for you. It is also spamming. So this spam is one of the major things that lead to shadow ban. So avoid it. Once you avoid it, your account may not be under shadow ban. To solve the case of shadow ban, this is what to do. First of all, improve on your title. Make sure that your title is nice. When someone search for your title, the person can easily get it. 2, continue uploading. Once you notice that your account is under shadow ban, just say let me stop uploading because my account is under shadow ban. Continue uploading. And once you continue uploading nice content, small your account will return back to normal. And the most important one that will solve the issue of shadow ban is sticking to the YouTube community guideline. Once you notice the account is under shadow ban, the best thing for you to do is to avoid violating YouTube guideline. Once you stick to their guideline, keep on uploading your video. In 28 days time, they will remove the shadow ban. Just give them 28 days and stick to their guideline. You will see that your account will be out from shadow ban. So if you have been going through this shadow ban challenge, calm down, try to stick to the guideline, and within 28 days your account will return back to normal. If you find this video helpful or your account have been under shadow ban, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.